Alright, let's get one thing out of the way right now. I use a lot of technology, I love technology, and when I'm talking about cables and sensors and monitors and that sort of thing, I love technology in those areas too. This is not the most technologically advanced machine ever made. It's not the coolest looking, it's not the sleekest looking, it's certainly not the sexiest looking, but come on, it is a reliable machine. This is the Philips Veridia 24C. It's part of that 2624 series made by Philips. It's got square corners, it's got a baby blue plastic handle, but I tell you what, it's got a 10.4-inch display screen. It's got some parameter modules, which include blood analysis module, capnography, cardiac output, invasive blood pressures, non-invasive blood pressures, pulse oximetry, temperature, end-tidal CO2, internal device interfaces, anesthetic gas module, and thermal array recorder. It is a quality unit. The coolest thing about it is you can pick one up today on sites like eBay and Craigslist for as little as $800–900. Very good system. It is designed both for critical care and for standard care patients. It's very portable. It's rather lightweight. Like I said, it's got a handle. It can be toted around. You know, the thing about it is, too, is some folks may say, well, it's a little bit daunting to use the multiple screens and selections and menu options. But the truth of the matter is, I use it. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a registered nurse. I've never taken a course on patient monitoring. But I find it really simple to use, really intuitive. And for that, I got to give it at least an A-. I want to tell you a little bit else about it. And this is from the manufacturer specifications. It's got an 8-slot plug-in satellite rack with front-end link cable. That's all right here. Fantastic stuff. It works well. Everything stays firm. I've got my plugs here. And then lastly, I want to tell you also that it can be mounted. It can be mounted on a table mount. It can be put on a roll stand. It's a transport monitor. It's got a 6-slot rack that can be docked directly to the mainframe. Look. It's just a good monitor. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to throw a bunch of, phrases out there and a bunch of manufacturer things. It's just a good monitor, and it's what I'm going to use today to talk about a few cables and sensors that you certainly need to know about.